He's really supportive. What do you think, Ma?
What do I think?
What do you think?
Well, I think the day is going fantastic.
Yeah?
It's wonderful to go outside and take fresh breaths of air. It's so wonderful. And Riley and Obsy where are they?
Riley's reading a book to Aubrey. You want to go see?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. They're in the little room on the right.
Zach, or Todd, why don't you call and see if her folks are coming to the wedding? Because if she doesn't do well, ask if they'd be willing to take her home with them. Because, she might make it for the wedding, but then after that it might be too much and she just make her sicker. You want to go with Daddy? Okay.
Let her take the book, Riley. She'll be fine.
Come on, Daddy's gonna... Come on, go with Daddy. Daddy's gonna be on the telephone. It was nice of you to try to read to her.
There's Aubrey. There she goes.
Aubrey! Aubrey! Say hi to the camera. Aubrey! Aubrey Marie!
Hi. How are you guys doing today? How are you? Where are you? That's good.
She's in the other room.
He went to work? Oh, jeez. Hey, sweetie.
Riley, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say, what do you think of the day so far, Riley? Talk to me. Riley.
Thanks,
Riley, quit ignoring the camera.
Were you guys planning